Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to redeem voucher code on Uber app. It is a very simple process and if you follow the steps, you will be able to do it. So first of all, you have to go to your Uber app. Now, you can see four options at the bottom: Home, Services, Activity and Account. You have to tap on the Account option. Now your profile will be opened. If you scroll down, there are several options. And at the top, you can see your name. And at the bottom of your name, you can see three options: Help, Payment and Activity. You have to go to Payment option. Tap on Payment. Your wallet will be opened. You can see several options over here: Write Profiles, Vouchers, Promotions. In the Vouchers option, you can see two options. One is Vouchers and another is Add Voucher Code. So if you have voucher, you can click on Vouchers, go back, and if you want to add voucher code, tap on Add Voucher Code. Now you can enter your voucher code here. After you enter your voucher code, Continue option will be activated and you have to tap on it. So that's how you redeem voucher code on Uber app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.